Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make yogurt with just milk. First, gather your ingredients: 1/2 gallon of whole milk and 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with live cultures. You'll also need a pot, a thermometer, and a clean jar. The process begins by gently heating the milk, which prepares it for the beneficial bacteria. This simple method yields delicious, creamy yogurt right in your own kitchen. Once you have your milk, pour it into a clean pot and place it over medium heat. Stir it frequently to prevent scorching, especially at the bottom. Watch your thermometer carefully. When it reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat. Now, let it cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This temperature is perfect for the yogurt cultures to activate. With your milk cooled to 110 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to introduce the starter. Take 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with live cultures and whisk it thoroughly into a small amount of the warm milk. Then add this mixture back into the main pot. Pour the inoculated milk into a clean jar or container, cover it, and keep it warm for 6 to 10 hours. A warm oven with the light on, or a yogurt maker, works perfectly. After incubation, your homemade yogurt is ready. Place it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours to chill and firm up. If you prefer a thicker, Greek-style yogurt, you can strain it through cheesecloth for a few hours. Enjoy your fresh, creamy creation plain, with fruit, or in your favorite recipes. Remember to save a few tablespoons for your next batch. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.